your process of like working together and where your shoulder was before working together and where it's feeling now.
No, yeah, it was good. I was pleasantly surprised. It's quite a bit better. You know, the movements really do make a huge difference. And I was pretty consistent. I think I missed like one or two the whole time.
Yeah.
And then some like today I doubled up because I missed yesterday, so I did yesterday and today. But yeah, it's been good. Uh, I can in the morning I put my hand right above my head and it doesn't bother me. It used to be like ridiculous, so it's quite a bit better.
Awesome.
So it's kind of surprised, yeah, at how good it is.
I love it. And yeah, obviously sounds like you've kind of learned that you get what you put into it, right? And
Oh yeah, progressions were good because yeah, the windmill and then to get to the side lying and yeah, everything definitely it was a progression that helped
awesome.
me definitely feel it.
And then what were some of the other things you had tried like before starting the program? And how was this different from that?
Yeah, I mean, I tried like crossover symmetry. I did some of that stuff. I bought the bands and I've gone to physical therapy just a little bit because I had my previous shoulder done. So I was doing my previous exercises from my shoulder rehab from my surgery. So now my surgery side is, more range of motion just from doubling up. So it's been good.
Awesome. Okay. If you could go back in time and if you were, on the fence or not sure, like what would you tell yourself as far as whether to do the program or not?
No, I'm glad I did it. Yeah, I think I'll be able to avoid surgery because I was heading that way. I mean, I was like not sleeping at all. And that's when I had the other surgery done because I couldn't sleep. It was just like gravity was killing it. So now I could sleep and, you know, I'm ready to start pushing it and see what I can do with it actually with lifting. I mean, I play a lot of golf in the summer, so I think that'll be easier also. My range of motion is going to be a ton better. Plus my all that thoracic stuff is really going to help.